They say diamonds are a girl's best friend, but peanut butter, really? Did you know you can turn peanut butter into diamonds? Yes, it's true, you heard that right. Now, before you start rummaging through your pantry for that jar of creamy delight, let's delve into the science behind this fascinating fact. It's not magic, but a testament to the incredible adaptability of carbon atoms, the building blocks of both peanut butter and diamonds. Scientists, with their love for pushing boundaries, have discovered a way to coax these humble atoms from your favorite sandwich spread into becoming one of the most precious substances on Earth. This extraordinary transformation doesn't happen in your kitchen, though. It requires some serious high-tech gear capable of creating intense pressures and temperatures. But don't let that dampen your enthusiasm. This exploration into the wonders of science is just beginning. So buckle up and stay tuned to discover how this extraordinary transformation happens. All right, folks, fasten your seatbelts. We're about to embark on an exhilarating journey into the intriguing world of diamonds and, wait for it, peanut butter. Diamonds and peanut butter, you say? They're as different as night and day. But there lies the twist. They share an astonishing commonality, a high carbon content. Carbon, that's right, that versatile little number 6 on the periodic table, the superstar atom that's the lifeblood of our world. It's in the food we gulp, the air we gulp down, and yes, shockingly, it's also in those twinkling diamonds we can't take our eyes off. But hold on, how does peanut butter, our beloved sandwich filler, share this bond with the sparkling diamond? It's all in the structure, ladies and gentlemen. Carbon atoms can party in various formations, creating different versions, or allotropes, of carbon. Peanut butter is a carbon fiesta thanks to its main ingredient, peanuts. It's essentially a chaotic mosh pit of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. But then we have the diamond. It's nothing short of a marvel, the hardest substance we know, yet made of the same carbon. The difference? Here, the carbon atoms are like a disciplined marching band, arranged in a tight three-dimensional grid, bestowing the diamond with its extraordinary hardness and mesmerizing sparkle. Here comes the billion-dollar question. Can we turn the carbon in peanut butter into a diamond? Sounds crazy, right? But just imagine, with the right conditions, extreme heat, intense pressure, we might be able to persuade the carbon atoms in peanut butter to shift into the crystal structure of a diamond. Incredible, isn't it? Peanut butter's carbon turning into a diamond. Sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie. But how, you ask? Well, buckle up. That's the thrilling story we'll be exploring in the next exciting scene. Stay tuned. Enter the world of high-pressure, high-temperature synthesis, or HPHT for short. This incredible process is a bit like cooking, only instead of a stove and a frying pan, you need some seriously advanced equipment. Think of it as the ultimate pressure cooker. You see, diamonds aren't just pretty rocks. They're the result of carbon atoms subjected to extreme conditions deep within the Earth's mantle, where temperatures reach several thousand degrees and pressures are 1,000,000 times greater than at the Earth's surface. Now, replicating these conditions isn't exactly a walk in the park. It involves applying a whopping amount of pressure and heat to our carbon-rich ingredient. Yes, you guessed it, peanut butter, but how does it work, you ask? Well, to start with, the peanut butter is placed in a device known as a press. This isn't your average kitchen utensil, oh no. It's a sophisticated piece of machinery capable of generating pressures of over 1,000,000 atmospheres and temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. The carbon atoms in the peanut butter under these intense conditions do something remarkable. They rearrange themselves into a crystal lattice structure, the same structure that gives diamonds their unique properties. This transformation doesn't happen overnight, of course. It takes time and precision, but the result is a synthetic diamond, identical in every way to its natural counterpart. And there you have it. By replicating the conditions deep within the Earth, we can literally turn peanut butter into diamonds. It's a shining example of the adaptability of carbon atoms and the stunning possibilities of science. So, through HPHT synthesis, peanut butter can indeed transform into diamonds. Now that you know how peanut butter can turn into diamonds, let's consider the implications of this process. The adaptability of carbon atoms, as we've seen, is quite remarkable. This opens a world of possibilities for synthetic diamond production across various industries. Imagine diamonds no longer being just a luxury, but a commodity, easily produced and accessible to all. Now let's sprinkle in some fun facts. Did you know that the word diamond comes from the Greek word adamas, meaning invincible? Fitting, considering diamonds are the hardest known substance on Earth. And here's one about peanut butter. It was actually used by the Aztecs centuries ago, but not in the creamy or crunchy form we love today. They ground roasted peanuts into a paste, quite a departure from our beloved sandwich spread. So next time you spread peanut butter on your toast, remember you're handling potential diamonds. Let's quickly revisit what we learned today. We dove deep into the world of diamonds and peanut butter, discovering that these two seemingly unrelated items share a common element: carbon. We learned about high-pressure, high-temperature, or HPHT synthesis, a process that mimics the extreme conditions necessary for diamond formation. We discovered that scientists have used this method to transform peanut butter rich in carbon into diamonds. However, this is no simple kitchen experiment. It requires sophisticated equipment capable of generating intense pressures and temperatures. We also discussed the implications of this research, highlighting the adaptability of carbon atoms and the potential for synthetic diamond production in various industries. It's fascinating to think about the hidden potential in everyday items, isn't it? Now, which of these facts did you find the most interesting? And remember, don't try to turn your peanut butter into diamonds at home. It might just turn into a very expensive sandwich instead.